Today I'm going to teach you how to solve 3x1 Rubik's Cube. It doesn't really take any algorithms or anything, so first let's get started by mixing it up.
I'm taking my whole other bottle to work.
There's no way you have to mix it up. You just have to mix it up any way you want. Are you gonna put this on YouTube? Yes. Really? Wow. So now I have it mixed up. First step is to try and make it like kind of like pretty much like the second step is to make it look well. The first step or the second step, like the most important thing, is to make it just flat because the thing is missing. And by the way, it has these under it, so you need to take care of those.
Going to Sacramento, and the bus leaves at 7.
And you try to make it like this for the first step. See? And then what you have to do is you have to turn this one. You have to turn this down. You have to turn this one down and this one over to make that. And then what you have to do is try to make the sides done. So, do that. So, now you got the sides done. Now what you have to do is you have to twist this up because it doesn't have all these on it. See? It doesn't have all these on either of these. So then what you have to do is you have to turn it, not all the way turn, but halfway. And then what you have to do is make it to the blue. And then you have to do it. So you can actually turn it like this. So what you have to do is you have to do that to each side. But you can only do it on the middle one, like a plus sign turning away. So then what you have to do is you have to go right here, then turn it twice, 3 times, I guess, whatever, how many times. And then you gotta solve Rubik's Cube. Yay!